Welcome to 217 Sunny Hill Drive. This awesome 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a covered front entry, rear patio, and spacious interior with luxury vinyl plank flooring, as well as tile in the bathrooms. It's located in the Falls neighborhood in Blythewood, convenient to I-77, Northeast Columbia amenities, as well as Fort Jackson. So out front, you see you have a nice size 2-car wide driveway leading up to the 1-car garage. You have some nice stacked stone and cedar shingling detailing on the exterior. You can see it's a newer construction neighborhood as well at the time of the video. And we'll take a look inside. You also have a covered front entry as you come in as well. So we step inside onto the main level, the entry here. So you have beautiful luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring throughout the downstairs. And you have tile in the bathrooms as well. Off the entry, you do have the nice size coat closet. And then you can see into the sort of open floor plan kitchen and main living area. To our left here, on the way to that, you do have a powder room or half bathroom, a nice pedestal sink and commode. And then on this side, you have the access to the garage as well. So you can see it's a 1-car garage, decent size. There's a small car parked in there right now, sort of a coupe size. So giving you an idea of the space. And then we're into the main living area. So you can see open floor plan. Again, here you have the beautiful center island and the kitchen. Some very nice glass pendant lights above it. You have space for either a bar counter or space for some nice stools there. And the countertops in the home, I believe, are quartz. They are appear to be a solid surface, sort of material, and a beautiful white color. You do have a white tile subway tile backsplash in the kitchen as well. Dining area sort of over in this area. And again, you can see the included appliances. You have a stainless steel refrigerator side by side, above range microwave. That's a 4-burner gas range, as well as a dishwasher here tucked into the island. Also, you have a really nice size walk-in pantry here for the size of the kitchen. It's off the space as well, so great storage. And again, white shaker style cabinets in here also. And then in the living room, you have a nice ceiling fan. They do have the sort of updated controls where you have the fan speed and light separated and controllable from the switch itself, which is nice. So no having to operate anything from a pull chain, which is very convenient, and they're nice and sleek and modern looking as well. So you can just see the whole space there. On the back end here, you have access to the exterior. So you have that actually unlocked for you. You have a nice size patio out here. And you have some partitions on the left and right that sort of separate you from the neighboring units. But you do have some nice grassy area out back as well, with the tree buffer back there. And then we're on up to the 2nd level. So the stairs here, carpeting starts. And you can see we go up onto the landing. You have the hall there. Right off the landing, you can see one of the bathrooms there. But right off of the landing, we do have the full-size washer, the laundry room with full-size washer dryer connections. For side-by-side in there, you do have nice ceramic tile in there. And that is in both the full bathrooms up here as well. The primary suite is faces the rear of the unit. Nice ceiling fan in here also. You also have a walk-in closet. And then your full bathroom. It's a beautiful bathroom with double sinks and tile floors, as well as a nice size walk-in shower. And also, I believe we may have Yeah, so we do have a linen closet here behind the door as well. I don't want to forget to show you that. So a nice size linen closet tucked back here as well. And then passing that laundry room again on down the hall. So here's your second of the 2 full bathrooms. Very similar design, single vanity instead. And again, tile flooring and the shower and tub. There's an attic pull down here, possibly some storage up there as well. Bedroom number 2, which is a nice size. A bit of a unique layout, which gives you more space, or at least a couple more walls, just with some options for furniture. And then you have a smaller walk-in in here. And then last but not least, bedroom number 3. This one faces the front of the home. And then you can see the closet on this side as well. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address 217 Sunny Hill Drive in in Blythewood, near Northeast Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.